So, the easiest part of essay writing is writing conclusion. Why is it easy? Because conclusion is quite similar to introduction. There is only a minute difference between introduction and conclusion. Let us learn how. For writing conclusion effectively, we need to know introduction as well, and that's what I'm going to explain. In conclusion, we use 2-sentence structure. However, in introduction, we used 3-sentence structure. And what are these 2 sentences? The first one is restating your opinion, and second we are explaining the summary of points mentioned in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So 2 sentences are more than enough. At times we can use only one lengthy complex sentence and it would suffice. Now in conclusion, we prefer using although, despite and while. I would say we can use although, despite and while in every essay except totally agree or totally disagree essay. And we use however in introduction. This way introduction and conclusion can be written effectively. Now let us go through the introduction one more time and then I'll explain conclusion. So in introduction, as I have already mentioned, we just paraphrase the statement and outline. So in this statement I have paraphrased the main statement of the question along with outlining the major reason. The population is proliferating at a rapid pace across the globe, and as a result the demand for a basic necessity such as food is inclining. So that is paraphrase. Okay. Then I am outlining my reasons. I am giving thesis statement. I am telling what am I going to explain in the supporting paragraph. So this is also known as thesis statement. Now how will we write conclusion? So for conclusion, as I have mentioned, we can easily use although, despite or while. So now we are going to write it like this only. We'll just start with in conclusion. Whenever you want to start conclusion, write in conclusion or to conclude. In conclusion, although the high demand for food, now what have I done? Paraphrase the question. In conclusion, although the high demand for food is caused due to the increasing population. So what is happening? Same thing. I have paraphrased it here. Look here. So what have I done? The population is proliferating at a rapid pace across the globe because the demand is increasing. Here also I have mentioned the same. In conclusion, although the high demand for food is caused due to the increasing population, the foreign community can promote the profession of farmers. Now, solution. Firstly, I gave the problem and paraphrased as well. Now, solution. So, crux of body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So, the foreign community can promote the profession of farmers by equipping them with the latest types of machineries for easing their work. So, when you are writing a complex sentence like such, in that case, even a single sentence is more than enough. You just need to explain your points clearly. So, I have paraphrased, I have outlined the ideas, I have given the crux of ideas mentioned in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So, that's all for conclusion and we are done with the problem solution essay as well. I am going to meet you in the next section with another essay type. So, bye-bye till then.